Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you what I've done today. Everything's back on now, the oil cooler. That's the brand new oil cooler. Brand new one there. Comes complete, so I'll just finish assembling everything back on. That's the old one there. But just about to put the intake back on. And I look at the actual car and I can't really just put it back on like that. It looks, look at the soot and just from the diesel. Look how dirty it is. I've got to scrape all that off. Clean it properly before I put it on. I just can't put it on like that. Look at that. That's really, really bad. Every diesel car has, this is the problem of having diesel. Is they actually clog up over time. Because the fuel system we have in Australia is really not as good as the European fuel when it comes to diesel, unfortunately. And then we don't have a autobahn, so you can do 200 k's to clean your diesel out. You only have 120 kilometers per hour, and it's actually, it's not really a freeway. When it's busy, it's just too many cars anyway. You can't even do it. You got to go at night to do a 180 and M5 in Australia, but to clean your diesel out properly, you got to sit on the actual 100 kilometers per hour speed for about 1 hour, and that's when your car will actually do the rest. But if you can't do that, there's no point. But anyway, let's go back to here. It's very, very, look at the actual dirt there. It's stuck to. I've got to actually scrape that down and clean it properly. Even try to clean the other side off here. Clean as much as I can from that side there. See that? Inside here. Put the light on. Look at all that. I'll try my best to do it. Come back down here. See all that as well here. All of it. All covered in dirt. Soot. Alright, I better do that first before I look at that one there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.